Hey everyone. Yes, it's been a while since I posted any regular content. Many life changes happened since last June of 2022, and certainly it has been all good stuff. Now that I'm settled, I recently built a new computer for 2023 and thought I'd share the specs, along with a few new toys that went with the computer build. In the video description below, there is a link detailing every component and peripheral from a new gaming rig. I do receive commission on any purchases through affiliated links, and those earnings simply go to supporting this channel. Thank you everyone for your support, memberships, and subscriptions.
Fastest lap for Tim, 103.64.
Well done, mate. The fastest step so far.
Sector 3 times okay.